Firstly, the wood powder is compression molded into the shape of a toilet seat. However, the molded component often exhibits surface defects such as micropores, press marks, or localized unevenness. A sanding process is therefore required. It is widely recognized within the industry that approximately 60% of coating quality issues originate from the sanding stage. Only a uniformly smooth base surface can ensure proper paint adhesion. The quality of sanding thus directly determines the subsequent coating finish, effectively preventing peeling and extending the product's service life. The typical sanding process follows a coarse to fine principle. In the first stage, 80 to 120 grit silicon carbide sanding belts are used to swiftly remove flash, visible parting lines, and deeper surface imperfections. The second stage employs 115 to 180 grit belts to eliminate the deep marks left by coarse grinding and further improve surface flatness. The third stage utilizes 220 to 320 grit belts for fine polishing, achieving a high degree of flatness and a delicate smooth finish that provides an ideal substrate for primer or top coat application. The Siona factory adopts the industry standard three-stage sanding system, yet its execution precision far exceeds the average. Drawing on 42 years of experience, the factory has built a database encompassing thousands of optimal parameter combinations for material, pressure, and belt speed. The pressure, feed rate, and belt linear velocity at each stage are governed by stringent process controls. In addition, the factory is equipped with wide belt sanders that deliver outstanding performance in production efficiency, flatness control, and operational stability, significantly reducing reliance on manual labor. The high-speed roller operation is dozens of times more efficient than hand sanding. Furthermore, the accompanying high-efficiency dust extraction system promptly removes sanding dust, improving the workshop environment, whilst genuinely safeguarding the quality of primer application.